Aloha mai kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I hope all of you are staying safe and remaining indoors during this crazy time. I know that we're all gonna get through this, and I hope I can do my part by offering you something that you could watch while you're indoors, cooped up in your house, and something that'll help you keep your sanity while we're getting through these times. And I hope you're all just remaining safe and smart and looking after one another, and we're gonna get through this eventually. Thought we would cover one of my favorite songs. This is actually a mele pana, and which means it's a place song, and it's about a place that is near and dear to my heart. One of my favorite places in all of Hawaii, Kaua'i. The song was written by composer Henry Waiaʻu, and it talks about Kaua'i's chief Manokalanipo, and the song was written in 1929. And every week we tackle another song from the He Mele Aloha book. It's a great book if you've never seen the book before, but it basically shows you, it's a collection of various classic Hawaiian songs, and it has the chords over each of the words, but it doesn't show you any vocal melody or a sense of how the melody goes on the song, or even a sense of how the rhythm goes. And so that's why I'm here, is to kind of help you, coach you along, and bring you into the world of Hawaii music, one song at a time. And so what we're gonna do is, this song is just gonna be a basic up and down strum. Up, down. And if you notice, when I play this strum, I'm actually placing a little bit of emphasis or accent on that down strum. So first chord is C, E7, A minor, C7, F, A7, D7, and G7. Those of you who have been watching my videos know that there's a couple of D7s out there, right? There's the D7 that looks like this, and that's the one that's actually displayed in the He Mele Aloha book. And there's also the D7 that I like to play, which is actually an F sharp diminished, called the Hawaiian D7 or the open D7. I like playing this one because it makes it sound a little bit more open, emphasizes the bass note a little bit more. So I like playing the Hawaiian D7 a little bit more. And like I said before, we're just gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's go ahead and tackle the first verse. First verse is Hanohano Kaua'i Manokalanipo. Okay, Hanohano Kaua'i Manokalanipo. Ki ha pai pua ua kaulana. Okay, let's try that first verse. Job. Let's go to the second verse. Remember, in some of my last videos, we went ahead and tackled or covered the okina. Okina is basically an accent or a glottal stop right before a vowel. So in this case, this is a perfect example. Ohu ohu, okay? And there's also something called the kahako, okay? And a kahako is basically a macron that goes over a vowel, which elongates that vowel. And in this case, ki ha pai, which is part of that last verse, okay? So let's go. Ohu ohu I ka maile a'o kanahele, okay? Ike ala o nauna o ka mokihana. All right, let's try that second verse. Ohu ohu I ka maile a'o kanahele, Ike ala o nauna to the third verse. A lot of verses in the song, 5 verses total. All right. Ivili ia me, okay. Maile lauli'i, okay. Ke ala ho'oheno o kamalihini. All right, let's try that. It's a dog likes that. There. All right. Okay. Actually, we're going on to the final section here, and if you notice, this is the ha'ina, which is typically the very last verse, right? But in this song, it is actually broken up into 2 separate ha'ina. The first line is the same, but the second line, you'll notice that it changes a little bit. So let's try the first ha'ina. The first ha'ina is ha'ina ia mai ana ka puana. Okay, which is, you might be familiar with that already. Ku'ulei, mokihana, e moani nei. All right, that's the first ha'ina. Here we go. Okay, second ha'ina. First part is the same. Ha'ina ia mai ana ka puana. All right. The second part is ku'ulei mokihana, almost like the first part, and this part is different. POINA ole. POINA ole. Okay. Here we go. So we made it all the way through. Congratulations. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and tackle the whole thing all the way through. No stopping, right? Just going to go all the way through. Because there are so many verses in this song, there are 5 verses. Technically 4, but really 5. We're going to go ahead and we're going to just do every verse just one time, okay? Just going to tackle each pass one time through. Follow the chords over here if you get stuck. And if you do get stuck, just go ahead and pause it. Don't freak out or anything. I won't leave you behind. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna vamp it in. I'll vamp it in twice with a simple D7 G7 C, and then I think when we end it, how about we end it? We're just gonna go. Something like that. Okay, something simple. Here we go, all the way through, no stopping. job, you guys. Awesome. And that was actually a hard song. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chords. 1, 2, 3. A great job. 8 chords is no easy feat. I wanted to keep the rhythm slower so that we can focus on the left hand and tackle all those 8 chords. Thank you guys once again. If you guys want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. You can also go to @StevenEspaniola on my Instagram page to find out more information on my day-to-day hijinks. And I hope you guys stick with me on this series. I'll see you guys next time. I have a lot planned for some future episodes. I do have some giveaways planned, so stick around for that. I'll see you guys next time. Ohui ho and malama pono.